cut my Amazon ad costs by 50%. How? I lowered my cost per click. I'll show you how to do it in today's video. Here's one of our portfolios right here. We spent $182, made $3,000, right? So just imagine only spending $182 and making $3,000 in return every time you spend that. And the biggest part of this was lowering our cost per click. You can see right here, our cost per click was 9 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents, 19 cents, which is unheard of on Amazon to have a cost per click that low. I'm going to be showing you some steps. So first, you're going to get into your campaign manager. And a lot of people don't do this. And this is going to be showing you how to lower your cost per click. Now, first, I'm going to show you how to lower it for manual targeting campaigns. So if you have a manual targeting campaign, you're simply going to right click and click open link in new tab, right? And then this is going to look something like this. What you want to do is click on total targets right here. It's going to take you right here. And now it's going to show you your bid. Your bid is how much you're willing to pay per click. The lower, the better. If you lower it too quick, Amazon's going to shut off your ads, right? So you need to do a very slow process, right? What you saw with a 2 cents cost per click, that did take us a year to achieve. So lowering it very quickly is not the way to go. You can see the actual suggested bid is $4 for this, which is completely insane. We got it all the way down to $1.48 for this, and we can get it down even lower. Right now, it's spending exactly what we wanted to spend. We only spent $24 and made $300 in return. So what we're going to do is every week, we're going to come in here and we're going to slowly lower it by 2 cents each week, right? You can lower it a little bit more if you want, but I highly recommend only 2 cents per week. Because again, if Amazon's algorithm catches on that you're lowering it too quickly, they're going to shut off your ads. So you want to find that happy medium. And to find that happy medium, it's just lowering it 2 cents, because you can always come in, and if it's not spending any money anymore, you just increase it by 2 cents again, wait a little bit and try again, right? So again, we're lowering it to $1.46. And now we're going to keep trying to get this cost per click lower and lower and lower. So this is again at $1.50. I think I'm going to leave this because we spent $4 and made $100. I think this one's really good. So some of them that aren't spending crazy, we're just going to leave it. But this one, you can even see it says it has 20,000 impressions weekly, aka this is getting a lot of eyeballs. So we can usually lower that keyword bid on it because so many people are searching it. So that's exactly what you're going to do. Lower it 2 cents. Now for your auto campaigns, you're going to open up your auto campaign and how to lower your cost per click for that. It's a little bit different. So you're going to click automatic targeting, and it's going to look like this. And it's going to say total targets 0. You're going to click on that. And then it's going to say either close match, loose match, substitutes, complements, whatever one you have on. This one's a loose match campaign. And you can see we are below the suggested bid. Now, again, same exact thing. We're coming in here and we're lowering it by 2 cents each week. You can do a little bit more, 3, 5 cents, depending on the price. But you want to, when you do lower it, you want to make sure that everything is still working and still spending money, right? So this is already spending money. It's spent $12. It's getting 30,000 weekly impressions. We spent $12 and made 1,000. That's hard to beat, right? So again, but I am just going to still 2 cents, right? It's not going to hurt. And then right when you change it, you need to make sure somebody's monitoring it and making sure it's still spending money. So right when you change it, wait 3 days, have somebody monitoring it, and then making sure it's still spending money, and you're good to go. If it stops spending money, just increase it right back, right? It's just 2 cents change, not big. But over time, compounding that 2 cents decrease does save you a lot of money. So that's another one. Now, another thing I want to add is going to be the secret hidden bid multipliers Amazon's putting on you. Turn those off right away, right? If it's a brand new ad campaign, you're not going to be doing this. You're only doing this if you've been running ads for at least a month and it's spending money and it's time to lower that cost per click. So you're going to go to ad. Let's actually go back to the campaign. So we're going to click again on that automatic campaign. And it's going to take us here. And then we're going to go to campaign settings. We're going to make sure it's dynamic bids down only. This is so you're not doubling. Amazon's not charging you double. Top of search, 0%. Rest of search, 0%. Product pages, 0%. And then you can also click limit off Amazon spend. I haven't done this. I don't think you need to do it. I'm just keeping it as increased reach. But if you did want to like degrade this further and spend less, you can click limit off Amazon spend. This is a newer feature, so I'm not using it right now. I have to test it. But just make sure that these are at 0% and it's dynamic bids down only, and you should be good to go. A lot of the times it's dynamic bids up and down, and you're actually spending double for the cost per click when you shouldn't be. And that's it for today's video. Want more Amazon videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our popular services is our Amazon advertising management service. This is where we're going to come in. We're going to look at all of your ads, re-optimize them all, organize them all. We're even going to change the titles so you know exactly what type of campaign it is and who made the campaign. And that's going to help you filter it out and make sure that we're doubling down on the campaigns that are actually working, making sure your ACoS is low, your spend is low, and your sales are extremely high. Takes time, but we can do it for you 100% so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.